Once we cash out, the first thing I'm gonna do, Bridger? What's that? Whatever the heck I want. It was the best trapping season we've ever had. But for Collins, our success was even sweeter. How about you, Ted?
There's a gal back in St. Louis named Sarah Perkins. Patient as she is pretty. She's been waiting for me to make good, and now I can finally come calling. Ask for her hand.
You figure she's gonna say yes?
You got a reason to think she won't, Webb?
No, Ted, nothing. Just you with women sometimes don't know what they're really thinking,
Sarah ain't like that. So, unless you got something to say that you ain't said yet, be a pal and be glad I'm gonna get hitched.
Once we cash out, the first thing I'm gonna do, Bridger? What's that? Whatever the heck I want. It was the best trapping season we've ever had. But for Collins, our success was even sweeter. How about you, Ted?
Me? There's a gal back in St. Louis named Sarah Perkins. Patient as she is pretty. She's been waiting for me to make good, and now I can finally come calling. Ask for her hand.
Figure she's gonna say yes?
You got a reason to think she won't, Webb?
No, Ted, nothing. Just with a woman, you sometimes don't know what they're really thinking,
Sarah ain't like that. So unless you got something you want to say, you ain't said yet. Be a pal and be glad I'm gonna get hitched. Sarah, won't you be mine? Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's John Erickson, coming to you from Los Angeles, California. 6 feet tall, rep by Midwest talent. Happy to shave and or grow the beard out and or style it, whatever works for you. Lots of horseback riding experience, very comfortable on a horse, done it many times. Can go fast, can run, can go uphill, downhill, mount, dismount all day long. Happy to do it. Also, when it comes to guns, shotguns, rifles, pistols, I have lots of experience shooting all of the above, doing skeet shooting as well, been on the range, indoor, outdoor, understand gun safety. Happy to do it. Thanks.